And look, now it's recording, so you just do whatever you want whenever you want.
All right. Good?
Yeah.
All right. Hi everyone, my name is Tegan.
And my name's Uchia.
And we've been working this summer as STEAM mentors at Brilliant Labs.
Hello, we are at Brilliant Labs here at Area 506. How's the experience been, Hayden?
You know what? Actually, it's been amazing. We've had a lot of kids come down, a lot of parents be involved.
It's been wonderful so far. We've had a lot of interest in 3D printers, and children making their own small name tags they can bring back with them. Overall, it's been a great experience.
How much fun that anybody can have with our kind of equipment, and the level of engagement is beyond.
It's been waiting on the other side for you there. Everybody wants a life full of hope to feel alive.
I don't know. I think like all the cool things that we were able to make for the kids, really on the 3D printers. I think that's really cool.
You can have it all. Reach out and you will see. Reach out and you will see. Everyone will say you're crazy to leave behind the world you've known. Hang on tight and you will maybe find a life that is your own. Wait up, you will feel it. Wake up, you will find it. It's been waiting on the other side for you there. Everybody wants a life full of hope to feel alive. Everybody needs a dream, we ain't getting younger. Everybody wants to love, feel the rush beating hard. You can have it all, reach out and you will see. Reach out and you will see. Wait up, you will feel it. Wake up, you will find it for you there. Everybody wants a life full of hope to feel alive. Everybody needs a dream, we ain't getting younger. Everybody wants to love, feel the rush beating hard. You can live it all, reach out and you will see. Reach out and you will see. Reach out and you will see.
Yeah, penguins?
Penguins. I think oxalotls. Oxalotls are really.
I don't know what that is.
You should
It's
Google it.
axolotls.
That is epic.
You don't know what an axolotl is?
I think it's also
Minecraft.
Yeah, if Minecraft.
Google it. Google it. It's a real
Yes,
animal.
they're
It's
super.
an actual. It's actually a real animal.
Sorry guys, that I don't know. Sorry guys.
They're
Also,
Google it.
alligators.
Google
Okay.
it.
we're gonna move on to my favorite animal because it's the most important animal. I'm joking. My actual favorite animal is a raccoon.